Divya and I'm a sales and marketing team in Srichakra. Srichakra is basically a recycling company based out of Hyderabad, and we are interacting with all the brands, and in fact you can see the Coca-Cola and Pepsi bottles that is made out of our resin. We are recycler. We do post-consumer recycled granules. We collect all the post-consumer waste in the form of bales, and that will be processed in our top-class facility. We have a Starlinger machinery and all imported machinery, and that we process the material and we extrude the granules. Those granules are sent to the converters. From there, brands will pick up the material. Thank you.